Now, the next table that we have here is this one from Vampire Killer. So with this table, we do have a white finish on top, which I'm not a big fan of just because I've had white tables before, and I feel like they just get dirty over time. So because they get dirty over time, you simply just need to buy a table mat that places over it. So with this table, it's a 34-inch by 34-inch square table. And if we go ahead and tip it over, similar to the other table, all four legs do need to be removed. So with all four legs needing to be removed, it simply just leads to kind of like a bit more cleanup and setup time compared to other four tables. And with more legs, just make sure that you don't lose any of the legs, like none of them fall out. So you simply just need to pull all four legs, place them inside the imprint here by pushing in like this. So take this leg out and then take this leg out. So like that. Now all four legs, you just go ahead and fold in. And then similar to the other one, there's this latch here that allows it to fold in. And then you just have the handle that just makes sure it sticks out so that you can actually go ahead and carry it just like this. But that's the Vampire Killer table. Now let's go move on to the next one.